Chuba nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Unong yalam ka BJP bopet ya ka Megalia Chuba au laong ba ki jingja ba sha thombor ki yeng mani ha Kiwei ki Jylla jong kari amdai satyaban khuslai hangni ha Jylla habakali ya kani ha kala sngi ublai ka arpunyo tarik urampang arjar arpulai Chuba au ubalawan cha Megalia bandan lang ha jingyalang jong ka state election committee hashlam trikam ka BJP hashlong Ulaong baka ay gibaja, siya Kiwei ki Jylla, kimday bali ka BJP. Ula ay nuksapan ba niya ka Jylla nagalan, kabadan kat arngod ki MLA, ka BJP, kibadayru ki Kristan, bat kampat juja AA. Kumtaw ulaong baka ay kabaja ha Kiwei ki Jaka, balay ang chukuslay hangni ha Megalia.
See, in Nagaland there are 12 MLAs, all are Christians. Never happened there. So somewhere it happened, why should we worry here? That is maybe local issues may be there. I do not know what is the inside the story, but it is come out in the media in a different way. So everybody think that BJPs are attacking church.
But these issues are coming up just before election. Will this?
Yeah, every time it will come out before the election because you have seen the BJP. BJP is a national party, and we have that is secular mood. So everybody can come, even church can come, even Muslim also can come, even Gurdwara, everybody can come. But what happens? Sometimes in order to divide, some people are very happy to divide that issue. See, election time to everybody attack each other, that is a quite natural phenomenon. So we cannot resist. Even BJP alliance also, they also sometimes attack us. So we also attack them. This is a normal practice. So this will be forget after the result. No, that is not, we have decided and we will not do that kind of job also. Because see, first of all the regional party, NEDA is there, North is, this our Hemanta Bisa Sarma is the chairman. So all the regional parties are our own alliance. So time will come to come together to the same table. Na? So we will work it out at that time. So we will be going to poach other political parties, not